the active labour market policies. As far as I know, Denmark's program is the best in the world. So this is something. So labourers, instead of agitating for job losses, sometimes job losses are inevitable because of the market fluctuations in market demand, etc. But it's neutralized by active labour market policies in social democratic countries like Denmark. And then, of course, universal healthcare. It really is quite elementary in a way. Even Ayushman Bharat is far, far away from any universal healthcare. There are a lot of problems with Ayushman Bharat. Forget about countries like UK or countries like France which have achieved universal healthcare. There are some developing countries which have achieved universal healthcare. Traditionally, one of the best examples used to be Costa Rica. But you don't have to go that far. One of our neighboring countries have achieved universal healthcare. That's Thailand. Thailand introduced about 20 years back universal healthcare. It's working reasonably. So it is possible, even for developing countries, to carry out universal healthcare. And universal healthcare should have helped the business people as well. So, for example, countries that the formal labor with informal labor, because if you have universal basic income, it's going to help everybody. So, large numbers of informal workers who are not otherwise interested in the trade union movement in India will become interested if universal basic income is a basic demand of trade unions. So, I looked at it